What's going on, everyone? My name's Roscoe and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be taking a look at the new Yeezy 350 V2 True Forms. Yes! This sneaker released on March 16th for that retail price of $220. Now the True Forms was an EU Africa region lock sneaker. Other colorway that dropped alongside this one was called Hyperspace. Unfortunately, that one was only in Asia, Australia. Now this sneaker definitely caught me by surprise. I mean, seeing the early mock-ups and seeing some of the early pictures online, it doesn't do this shoe justice at all. This shoe is fire. And I could definitely see why a lot of people were screaming at me like, hey Roscoe, this True Form is the best colorway out of the pack. And right now, I would agree with you. There's some colorways and some features that I was not aware of. The prime knit upper on this is coming in like a steel gray. Is that it has that static print, but the static print is coming in this yellow-green tint, which you couldn't see from the pictures online at all. And it kind of gives it that murky feel, like a washed out gray. But obviously we know that translucent stripe, it's coming in that orange tint, and then you have the orange pull tab on the back. Now the orange is more of a flat, dull orange, kind of on that peach side a little bit. The laces is more of a darker gray, which I like. Kind of gives it a little bit more pop. Sole, I think this is one of the best soles on a 350 that has ever released. The reason for that, it has like an orange filter. The Boost isn't orange, but it gives it that appearance that the Boost is orange, which is kind of cool. However, I will say though, what caught me by surprise on this shoe is that I already had the clays early. If you guys did not see that video, I'll put that link down below. I already did an early review. On the clay pair, the orange pull tab and the orange stripe is a super bright neon orange. So I just assumed that that same color would be on the True Forms. However, it's not. It's on like, it's like a flat orange. It works well, like I said. Like I think the peach and the flatness works well with this shoe, and then the brightness of the pull tab on the orange on the clays works well with that brown clay colorway that they used on the prime knit upper. I mean, these shoes were super hard to get. I mean, I know a lot of people took L's when they tried to do that secured checkout with Yeezy Mafia, and the Hyperspace ended up being, I think, more limited. There was people camping out there for like 48 hours, 24 hours early, and they still took L's. The True Forms and the Hyperspace are going double for double. We haven't seen those type of numbers on a Yeezy 350 in a while. So that's good, man. I like this. I like how they did a little bit of a region lock with these 350s, bring some hype back, because a lot of people were screaming at me like, yo, Roscoe, Yeezys are dead. I think this pack definitely sparked some life into the 350. If you haven't picked up a Yeezy 350 in a while and you're looking to get one, or you know, you maybe want just one more, I would definitely go with the True Forms. And I think this one, I would say maybe this or the Hyperspace, but I believe the Hyperspace is still going for a little bit more. I think this is right around 400-ish. You can probably get it. We're gonna see more 350s coming out this year, so if you pass on all this, they're not letting this sneaker die. The CEO from Adidas recently just did an article, and he said they plan on dropping 20 to 30 Yeezys in 2019. And a good chunk of them are going to be Yeezy 350s. Next one, I believe, is going to be the glow in the darks. We'll see. It hasn't been announced yet, but I'll keep you up to date on anything Yeezy related. A lot of people think this is what kind of looks like the Sesames. So let me show you the Sesames real quick. That sesame color. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but I would say, you know, they're definitely on the lighter side. This is more of a light brown. Light tan, and this was more of like a light steel gray. But overall, guys, let me know down in the comments, is this shoe a cop or a drop? I'm gonna throw this on foot, give you guys a better look at the sneaker, and I also put a fit together too as well. But guys, hey, if you did enjoy this video, go ahead, smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel. And like always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.